What's up YouTube? My name is Keaton and today I'm going to show you how to use shapes to beautify your photos in Photoshop today right here. Yeah, welcome back to my channel back guys. And today I have something different for you guys. Something really different. Yeah, I mean it. Okay, you can see this picture is different from this particular shaped layer. I'm going to show you how I did that right now. So we have to delete this group entirely. Delete group and content. Let's start afresh. Let me show you. Okay, first of all we have to create a new layer actually by clicking this icon right. So we have a layer one. So let's rename this. Let's say square. Let's name it square. Okay, SQRT. Let me say yeah, SQRT and press enter. And the next thing you have to do is choose this tool right here, which is rectangular marquee tool, and hold your shift key to be well scaled and drag. Okay, I think this is enough. And right click, fill, color, choose white, make sure everything is FFF. Click OK, and deselect. So the next thing you have to do after this, you have to duplicate it by clicking on it or using shortcuts Command G. Duplicate layer. Okay, so we have SQRT copy. So we are working on this SQRT copy right now. Press Ctrl T to make selection and hold your shift and alt key down, then drag. Can you see? Drag down. I think is enough right there, and click this. Okay, so all you have to do, you have to hold your alt key right now, then you're gonna see a box, then click here. If I remove the alt key, you can't see a box, but when I hold the alt key with control key down, the control key, then click on it, you see. So you have to, let's close this up, then click this layer right here, below layer, the main SQRT, choose here and use your eraser to clean it up. You can see. Then we have to turn this back, turn it on, and click here, click on the layer and press Ctrl T to make selection, then decrease. Okay, I think it's okay. Then okay, select this two, right click, deselect, so cancel that. So we have the two layer now, so we have to merge them, and to do that, hold your control key and click on this layer below and right click and choose merge layers. Okay, we have one copy now, SQRT. So Ctrl T, because you have to rotate it now, then right here just write 45 degree, 45 alone. I think it's better. Just click OK. Okay, then Ctrl T again to scale it in perfect way, and make sure you hold your shift and with alt key before dragging it here, so it can be well scaled. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's centralize it. I think it's okay. Move it up. Okay, right here we have it now. So the next shape we have to create is circle now. Same way we did this, we're gonna do something like that also. And for that you have to create a new layer also. Let's write circle. Let's name it circle. Circle. What am I typing? Okay, so you have to go to this same tool right here, right click on it and choose a particular marking tool. Yeah, choose it. Remember, also hold your shift here, hold your shift down so it can be well scaled also. I think it's enough. Then same way we did this, yeah, right click, fill. Okay, yeah, we have white already, deselect, then duplicate it also by using Ctrl J, circle it and transform it and hold your shift with alt key down and scale it. Okay, I think it's okay. Then hold your control key down to create a box to make selection. Then click the one below and use your eraser tool. Then erase. Let's close this so you can see. Okay, done already. Then click this back, switch it on, and press Ctrl T. Then hold your shift with alt key and drag it down. Okay, I think it's okay. Use this too. Then go back to this tool, right click on it, deselect. So you have to merge these two layers also. Merge layers. Okay, we have one layer now. Ctrl T to drag to this portion. Okay, make a copy of it again. Ctrl J and Ctrl T to make a copy of this portion right there over here. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, so let's merge all the whole layers together. Or let's say yes, let's merge them together by holding your alt key, your shift key rather, and choose the SKRT copies and merge layers. Okay, now we have to give them shadows, a little bit shadows. Then you have to click here, double tap here, this piece right here. You're gonna see a new dialog box. You're gonna open up layer style, yeah, and choose drop shadow. Okay, so move the distance a little bit. Okay, the spread size a little bit, and make sure you reduce the opacity so it can look more realistic. I get. Oh, my body is almost down, guys. And click OK. Yeah, we are done. And that is it, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. See you next time. Thanks for watching.